Hello, this is Paweł Kaźmierczyk, and with this short video I would like to show you how you can play with graphs that we have put together for you on a web page, which allows you interactive interpretation. You may remember that question 20, the optional question 20 in the catalog of material resource efficiency policies, asks you to interpret trends and what you see happening in your country. In the country profiles, those which are online, we have already pre-selected your own country for you. But this tool here is more interesting in that it allows you to do interactive comparison. So let me give you concrete examples. We have 8 graphs here. They are listed in the bottom of the page, and out of the 8, 6 can be customized for specific country or multi-country comparison. Right now, they will default to EU27 as a block. So let's have a look at the first graph, which is actually an exception because this one cannot be customized. The second graph, which is an indexed time trend, can indeed be shown from EU27 to the country of your choice. And there you have it. You have Ireland on the graph. Next graph shows absolute amounts and domestic material consumption categories. It will allow you to trace what's happened in Spain, for example, over time. That shows you how the construction crisis hit Spain. Several of the bar charts will allow you to do cross-country comparison. So right now we have domestic material consumption by category for EU27, but you can also compare what happens in several of your countries at the same time. Next graph is the second one of those which you cannot customize. We may develop some functionalities. If you find it useful, let us know, so that you can, for instance, only choose a few countries if you wanted a graph like that, or you could choose specific times. Right now it's all pre-selected for you, so you cannot really customize this. But the next one, which looks at shares of primary energy consumption by source, you can again do a multi-country comparison. And this will allow you to draw your own conclusion of what happened in your country as opposed to a number of others. The last 2 graphs focus on municipal waste, treatment, and recycling. These are graphs where you can only have one country at a time. On the other hand, it gives you a nice time series in those cases where the time series is available. This is a good example here, that for Croatia, the time series only begins in 2006. So these graphs will only be available for those countries where underlying data is available from Eurostat. With that, I hope you find this tool useful, and best wishes. Thank you.